Hey guys, welcome back. So this is gonna be a quick little project share video. I just made this super cute pen holder, and I used the tutorial from the Scrappy Bookworm one. I'll add her video in the description bar so you guys can make one. It's so easy. All you need is a toilet paper roll. Paint the inside if you want to. You really don't have to, but you know, I think it looks finished. Paint the inside, paint the edge, wrap it in paper, add your little doilies, this part right here, rosette or whatever, attach it to a tag, and then decorate. So let me show you real quick. So you see how if you color the inside, it doesn't have to be perfect because no one's going to see the inside. But then the outside, I used the Frank Garcia paper from the Dorset collection. I made that flower with their paper. I did the Winnie from Polkadoodles. I made this tag and this little bead caged bead. I think it came out so cute. And then the tag is from the what's that tag called? Graphic 45, I think it's called. And yeah, then I just added little flowers. And it stands so cute. So if you want to make this for a Happy Mail, I think it's really cute. You could send it in Happy Mail with a cute little pen. And look, isn't this adorable? Like, I love it. It's so freaking cute. And it's actually, because I did 3 of the base, 1, 2, 3. It's actually pretty, you know, like it's not gonna tilt or anything. It's not flimsy. It doesn't feel cheapy at all. I used 110-pound cardstock plus the Frank Garcia paper on top. Look how cute. And then I trimmed this. I actually trimmed the bottom too with the same one, which now I kind of regret doing because you don't even see it. Because I feel like I just wasted a whole trim. So you really don't have to decorate the bottom if you're going to decorate it with flowers. So that's the only thing I would do different with the next one. But yeah, look how cute. Isn't it adorable? How cute is this on your desk? Again, perfect for Happy Mail. Send this to your pen pal with a cute little pen, and they'll have this on their desk. So cute. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.